Hey people, as promised, I'm going to start speaking about angel healing in a series of videos itself because of course the students who enroll in my class will get that one-on-one interaction, but angel healing, I've been doing a lot of reading on this, and basically it's my own personal experience that if you want to get closer to the angels, you have to be in a very higher vibratory state. Now, by that I mean that there are days when you are naturally happy, like as in uh, like that's what I mean. I've realized gratefulness has a way of changing one's aura. Like, if say someone out of the blue comes and gifts you something nice, it kind of makes your day. I mean, they can gift you something as sweet as a compliment, and you will suddenly feel so grateful for that. So in such a state, you are vibrating at a higher rate such that you can then connect with these higher beings. No, really, because in the end it's all vibration. So I've crossed a 1 minute stance, and I will catch you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.